everyone, this is Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So I bring to you the highlights of the week and what to expect next. We have seen that Nifty was witnessing a roller coaster ride and a tug of war between the bears and the bulls at the higher zones. The good part is that any supply was being absorbed by the bulls and there has been strong support-based buying. Now we are entering into the monthly expiry week, so volatility cannot be ruled out. We did touch a fresh all-time high this week and we are expecting the momentum to continue towards 23,750 and then 24,000 zones on the upside with a support of 23,400 and then 23,200. Talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen a catch-up rally here and we have touched a fresh all-time here as well. So some of the heavyweight banking counters and the small banking names have outperformed and showing strength, which is going to continue. So we are looking at 52,250 and then 50,500 next on the cards for this rate-sensitive index with a support of 51,250. Now sectors to watch out would be some of the white good industry space stocks, which have given a consolidation breakout. Along with this, we are looking at some of the power and selective oil counters, which go hand in hand. Now, banking have clearly shown outperformance and will continue to do so. A good short covering move over here expected. And of course, the auto space, which is consistently trading in an upward sloping channel, along with selective metal counters. So see you next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.